Students, ninth standard English. Now we are discussing about that lesson, the envious neighbor, that is a supplement reader unit 1. So now we have discussed that lesson. So two families are there. One family is a honest man, another family is a jealous with the honest couple. Okay, now they are, first of all, they lend the old man's dog and they are killed, and they are, second time they lend their own martyr and they are also burned it. So the two times that dog was appeared to the honest man and what he wanted to do that. Okay, now that king was appreciated the old man's activities. Okay, so what happened next? As soon as the neighbors heard of this, they collected all the asses that remained. So that news also heard by the jealousy people, and they are also collected the remaining part of the ashes, and having put them in a basket. They have to put the ashes into the basket. They wicked the old man went to in the castle down. So the old man went to, jealousy man went to the castle down and gave out that he was the old man who had the power of reviving dead trees. So he has to introduce himself. I am the old man. I have to review that old dead trees and causing them to flower, and they have to causing them flower. I had a magical power. I could be review the dead trees. Introduced himself. He had not to wait long before he was called into the princess palace. So at third time, in a fraction of second, that man was called to the prince palace and ordered to exhibit his power. And he was asked to exhibit his own talent. What the talent that person, the jealousy person, have it? When he has to split the ashes into the dead trees, it will be reviewed that. Okay. But when he climbed up into the withered tree and began to scatter the ashes, not a bud or flower appeared. He was sprinkled that particular ashes. Okay. At that time, the tree was not at all able to, it cannot be sprout out, and it cannot be, there is no flower appeared in the particular tree. But the ashes all the flew into the prince's eyes and mouth. The ashes that will be split into the princess mouth and eyes, blinding and choking him. No, now he was blending and his voice are also choking. When the princess retained saw this, they seized the old man and beat him almost to death. The warriors, the other peoples, they have to take that old jealousy man and they have to giving some punishment for him, so that he traveled off home in a very sorry plight. So he was come to his own home very sorry plight. When he and his wife found out what a trap they had fallen into, they scolded themselves. The jealousy people, they have to scold each other's. Husband and wife, they have to scold with each others. The good old man and woman, and the good old man, you know that he was praised by that king. As soon as they heard of their neighbors' distress, they have to hear about their neighbors' difficulties, and sent for them, and after reproving them of their great greed and cruelty, but they have to done so much. They are against for that old man, but they have gave them a share of their own riches. They have to give their own wealth for them, and which he repeated stroke of luck, he can now increase to a goodly sum. So they have to give some wealthy for them. They have to told, you cannot do the, you cannot be jealous with me. They have to told to them. So the wicked old people mended their ways and led good and virtuous lives ever after. So after that, they are also become a good people. Okay. Various students, I think we have to completed that supplement reader also. We have completed the first unit almost over. Okay. So as far as my concept of knowledge finished, you should gone through that another questions. Okay.